The laser pen modification kit turns the Elektor Sand Clock into a clock that writes the time on glow-in-the-dark film instead of in sand. Now you can read the time from a distance and in the dark. The Elektor Sand Clock is a clock that writes the time in a sand bed. Even though this works nicely, it is difficult to read the time from a distance or in the dark. By replacing the pen with an ultraviolet laser and the sand by glow-in-the-dark film, these problems are overcome. To turn the sand clock into a laser pen clock, the pantograph must be replaced with a laser holder and the software must be updated. Only one wire must be soldered to the clock's main circuit board. The laser is kept in place with two rubber rings. The software must be updated to control the laser instead of the pen. The laser clock is much faster and quieter than the sand clock, and besides writing the time, it can also make drawings.